Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll need Excel 2016 or Microsoft 365 and a URL ready. First, open Get data from other sources from web to begin. Enter the page URL and choose basic or anonymous credentials. This controls access and refresh. Once connected, use the navigator to preview tables or the web view to see HTML fragments. Make sure to pick the element that contains the data you want, because choosing the wrong table wastes time later. Now transform the raw import. Click Transform Data to open Power Query Editor. You can remove unnecessary columns, change data types, and split columns by delimiter to normalize values. This matters for accurate calculations. If the source is an API, switch to Advanced Mode and append query parameters or headers. This ensures stable results. Once done, use Append or Merge to combine related tables. Make sure to give meaningful column names so downstream formulas and pivots work without surprises. Finish by choosing Load to, Table, Pivot Table, or Data Model, then click Close and Load. Set refresh behavior in connection properties. Enable background refresh or automatic refresh every X minutes as needed. Once done, test refresh to confirm authentication and rate limits. If something breaks, inspect applied steps in Power Query to find the failing transformation, re-authenticate, or change timeout settings, and validate the page structure hasn't changed. Make sure to save the workbook after a successful refresh to retain settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.